Hey y'all, this is Organically Designed. I'm Lindsay, and if you like organization, cleaning, and creating videos, this is what my channel's base is all about. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell if you want to get notifications whenever I come out with a new video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like today's. Today we're talking about some organization hacks, and I'm going to be showing y'all some different areas in my home and some little hacks that I use to help make things so much easier around here. So let's go take a walk around my house. The first hack that I have for y'all are these baskets that I have on my stairs. These I actually picked up at Ollie's. They're a pretty good deep size, but they're slender enough to where I still have plenty of walking space to go up my stairs. And what we use these for is as I find things around the house that need to go upstairs for each of my kids or myself, I put them in the basket, and that person is able to take those items up to the room. We have a few little things that I have been sorting through craft-wise to go up to the girls' rooms. So like my oldest one, she has some stuff in here, and this is all hers. And then my youngest one, that bottom one is all hers. But then I still have some things for myself in this bin, so when I go upstairs I'm able to take it. But this keeps my counters free of clutter, so that if I'm needing to clean and things, it is not taking up my time. So that's my first hack. I love this hack, and I think it adds something really cute. And even though they're full of things, it still does not take away from the way that the stairs look. In my home, we have some really funky closets. This is a closet that is right next to our little laundry room nook and our garage door. So this is can be like a catch-all thing, but some of the things that I have in here is I keep things all the way up top for storage, and then as I work my way down, it's kind of like air fresheners, candles, vases. And then this is the hack that I wanted to show y'all, and that is my grab and go basket. And you can easily do this with a basket or a bin from the Dollar Tree. So in here I keep extra face mask. Yes, these are all Dollar Tree organizers in here. So here, let's take this out. So in this grab and go basket, I keep a little organizer for my face mask. I keep tissues in here so people can grab and put them in their car as they go. If someone needs a car air freshener, got those in there. Hand sanitizing wipes, and I keep packs of gum in here as well so people can grab and go. So that is right by the door. So this is all right by the door that we go in and out of the most. There's also a couple other things. I have my stuff basket and my husband's stuff. He normally keeps a work hat and a casual hat in here, and this is where when he comes in at night, he kind of tosses his wallet. I toss my sunglasses, and I keep my special gum here. And then always keep a little thing for change, because my husband always has change in his pocket. So that is all right here, and this is that eye level bins. So that's my second hack in my home, or third, you can say 2 and 3. Another organization hack that I like to use is I'm someone that likes to have my things put away where I can't see them. So instead of a regular entertainment center or a credenza that has kind of like the glass windows on the doors, I opted for an oversized dresser. So I keep my remotes in one. I keep extra cords, cable organizers, plug safety cover-ups in here. And then my son is still in diapers, so I have a diaper changing station in this last drawer. Hopefully we won't need that much longer. And then the rest of these drawers, I actually have all of my DVDs in. So I keep them up like this. I alphabetize mine so that I kind of know where I need to go for what DVDs. I love my DVDs. So again, all of these are full of DVDs, and there's plenty of space to put extras in the back there if you run out of room. I just love this idea because my kids can open up one of these drawers and easily find their personal DVDs with their names on them, or a family DVD that they can bring back, and it's really easy for them to put it right back where it goes because it's alphabetical order. And then that way the next person can easily find what movie they are looking for. So I love using maybe a piece of furniture that wouldn't normally go into a room as an organizer. So here is another piece of furniture that doesn't really go in a room. This is actually a desk. It would have been like an L-shaped desk. So I actually do keep craft supplies and things in this, but the real hack that I have is items that we use around our home for like office supplies and things. I keep them in these pretty little baskets. So glues and scissors, envelopes and sticky notes. So, and I keep books and cookbooks at the top, and then in a decorative bowl I have cards. So this kind of houses a little bit of everything, but those baskets are what I love because not only are they a decor piece, but they also are the perfect size for a lot of organizing. And then the tabletop, you see I have projects going on here, but those baskets, yes. So I'm going to link this linen closet organization video below, but I did want to show you, this is one of my favorite little closet organization projects I've done besides my personal closet. So this is air mattress sheets, twin and queen, and then the matching comforters I marked twin and queen. And then these baskets, and these labels are from Dollar Tree too, for each of my girls, extra sheets. And then my son has his extra sheets and toddler bedding. And then at the very bottom, I keep my air mattresses in bags, and they're labeled, and these bags are the storage bags from Dollar Tree. So just a fun little way to keep your sheets really neat and tidy. And if you need to go make a bed with a set, you can take the basket out if you need to. So check that video out too. So in my kids' bathroom, they have another skinny linen closet. And in here, they kind of have their little caddy here that the girls, they keep their razors and their hairbrushes in, and then like these little shower scrunchies. And then my son has his hairbrush and his hair gel for him. And then I also have these Dollar Tree baskets yet again. You'll saw these in the linen closet. I have these in here, and they are great for storing the girls' and my son's towels and washcloths. I have them all color coded so I know whose is whose. And then we also keep these little baskets in here for their extra things. So another thing that I love for organizing is organizing cleaning products and making things more efficient. And this is in my bathroom and in my kids' bathroom, but we keep all the cleaning supplies, cleaning tools inside these little totes that can be pulled out of the closet in the bathroom and used and then put right back in. And that way you're not going up and down the stairs or all around the house to clean. The last organizing hack that I'm going to show y'all are these black boxes from Ikea. They come in 3 different sizes. This is the medium size, and I'll show you the small ones too. But I like keeping things tucked away, and I store important papers in our closet. And so that way I can keep my travel things, my important papers, but then they also just leave the closet just looking nice and sleek. I keep my purses and wallets in them as well. So just something, if you like things hidden, these are just simple collapsible cardboard boxes you can get at Ikea, and got the medium and the small here. So those are just a handful of some of the organizing little hacks that I do around my house to kind of keep things hidden and out of sight. It definitely makes your house feel so much less cluttered. I am always posting some things on my Facebook page and Instagram of other little things that I've done to change some decor around or to organize. So I'm going to link those below as well. I talked about that linen closet organization video and the cleaning kits and my closet organization. I will link those down below for y'all to go and look back at as well. And then just make sure y'all keep watching. I have some car organization for a small car and for a family car coming up later this summer. So that's probably going to be in June that y'all will see that one, in perfect time for some little traveling organization hacks as well in that video. So especially when you're traveling with kids of different ages. I have a teenager, I have a tween, and I have a toddler. So definitely having to keep those different age groups entertained. And I'm also going to be doing some other organization 101 videos of how you can get to your organization basics, and some of my favorite Dollar Tree organization products is also coming up. So I can't wait to share all my favorite organization finds and how I keep things manageable around my home. Thank y'all so much for walking through my home today to show y'all some of these little hacks that I use around my house that just make life that much more simple and easy to keep my organization systems manageable. As always, happy organizing and have an amazing rest of your day.